Hi, today we're going to learn part 1 of how to make a snowflake on code.org. So hopefully you already have your code.org account. I usually have my students sign in using their school Gmail. And what we're going to do here, once you're signed in, you're going to go up to the upper right-hand corner where it says Create, and you're going to go to the Artist Lab. Okay. So today we're just going to be working on making a function for one branch of our snowflake. And then on my next session, I will teach you how to use that function to make a complete snowflake. So first you're going to go over here and a little to the right of where it says run, there's your blocks. So you're going to scroll down and we are going to pick the functions block, and we're going to click on create a function. Okay, and we're going to call this function, you're going to name it Snowflake Branch. Snowflake Branch. And for now, we're not going to do any perimeters. You don't have to put something for what is your function supposed to do, but it's just going to make, if you want to, you could write make one branch of a snowflake. Okay. And okay, and then what you're going to do is under where it says snowflake branch, we're going to go to actions and we're going to say move forward. And we're going to try here, that's going to give us like the long branch for our snowflake. And so I'm going to go with 40 pixels. Okay, so with 40 pixels. And then we're going to go back to actions and we're going to say, once you go 40 forward by 40 pixels, the next you're going to turn right by 45 degrees. And then you're going to go forward again, and this time we're going to do 20 pixels. Okay, and then after you do that, you're going to want to jump back by 20 pixels. Jump back, and I have to change that. So with a down arrow, you can change the forward to jump backward. Jump backward by 20 pixels. So if you want to see what we have so far, if we click run, nope, it's not going to show us. Just kidding. Sometimes it will show us. I think if we actually close it for now, if we want to see kind of what it looks like, we would have to go to our functions and we would scroll down and then you would see where it says snowflake branch, and you're going to do when run, do this function. So now we can kind of see in the upper, in the right, upper left-hand corner, we can see where we are. So now if we click on edit, you can see here, and we're going to turn now from our direction, we're going to turn 90 degrees to the left. So turn left by 90 degrees. And then we're going to repeat our move forward. Sometimes it gets a little tricky with the blocks, but you just have to kind of play around with it. So after we go left 90 degrees, then we're going to move forward again by another 20 pixels. And then we are going to jump back again. We are going to jump backward by 20 pixels again. Yes, back where we were. And then we want to, after that, we want to make sure that we turn facing the original way that we started, which is going to be 45 degrees to our right. So we're going to go back and move for, nope, not that one. You can always, when you do get the wrong block, you go over here and you just let it go into the trash can, okay? So we're going to go back to actions and we're going to go turn right by 45 degrees. And that should get us back to our original direction facing. So if we click run, there's one branch of a snowflake, although which is fine. I'm going to say I want my snowflakes to be 3, like each branch, I want kind of to be 3 of those. So in order to make there be 3 of them, what I'm going to use is a loop, and I'm going to have it repeat all this block to make that one branch. And our branch is actually going to be like 3 of those iterations. And so we're going to have it repeat 3 times everything here. So let's see if that, yes, so that's going to be one branch of the snowflake is basically 3 iterations of a smaller branch, if that makes sense. All right, so that concludes part 1 of how to make a snowflake at code.org in the Artist Lab, and we will be back with part 2.